How to fix notifications not showing on Telegram. In this video, I will show you how to fix notifications not showing on Telegram. First, open or launch the Telegram mobile application. You will land on the homepage of the app, just as you can see here. After that, tap on the menu option. It is this option with the hamburger symbol here. A side panel with several sections that will take you to different areas of the app will appear. From the options that are here, tap on this one here named Settings. This is the settings page of Telegram where you will find options that you can use to make changes to your account. After that, scroll down through the different options that are here. After scrolling, go to the Settings section where you will find several options under the setting. From the sections here, tap on this one named Notifications and Sounds. Kindly make sure you are following the tutorial step by step to avoid making any mistakes. Okay, let us proceed. As you can see, these are all the different notifications that your account has. Each notification has a toggle button beside it where you can enable or disable it. When enabled, it appears in blue. When disabled, it appears in gray. As you can see, all my notifications have been disabled just like you can see here. So turn them on by tapping on the toggle button beside each notification just like I'm doing here. It is that easy. I hope this tutorial has helped you find a solution to your issue. Make sure you like the video and subscribe to our channel.